First solution, give a simple restart. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of temporary glitches, often cause flickering. So simply restart your iPhone and check your display flickering issue solved or not. Second solution is turn off auto brightness. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, scroll down and tap on display and text size. In here, scroll down and disable auto brightness. Sometimes brightness changes cause flicker. Next solution, disable True Tone and Night Shift. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on display and brightness. In here, scroll down and find out True Tone. So make sure to turn off True Tone and go to Night Shift. Also, make sure the night shift is turned off. So this can sometimes trigger flicker. Next solution is turn off radio's white point. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, tap on display and text size. In here, scroll down and you find this radio's white point option. So must disable this option.